Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're going to start the update now. Power on the console, sign into your Xbox Live profile, and make sure your network is stable. Wired is preferred for speed. Once signed in, confirm you have at least a little free storage. Remove 1 or 2 unused games if needed. Then open Profile and System, select Settings, go to System, and choose Updates so the console can check for the latest system firmware. Start the check immediately so download begins without delay. Once the update is found, let it download fully. You'll see progress on the home screen or in My Games and Apps. Make sure you don't do a full shutdown. Keep the console in Instant On or leave it active so the install can proceed. You might be prompted to accept a restart. Do that right away because installation often requires 1 or more reboots. While it installs, avoid unplugging or interrupting power. And know that larger updates can take anywhere from 10 to 30 minutes. When the console finishes restarting, verify the new system version in Settings under System Console Info so you know the update installed correctly. Next, update any games, apps, and controller firmware from devices and connections. Re-enable Quick Resume if you turned it off. If things go wrong, try one troubleshooting step. Perform a full power cycle. Hold the Xbox button 10 seconds, unplug for 30 seconds, then restart, or use an offline system update if the console.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.